Hi guys, this is Lee with the Market Sense for the week of June 18th, 2019. The charts in this presentation come from the Trade Navigator software, which is provided to us by Gettess. And in looking at a weekly bond market chart here, you can see they've kind of chugged right on to new highs here. What happened is there was an announcement from Mario Draghi, the head of the European Central Bank, overnight, where he said he was willing to maybe provide stimulus for economies over there, and everybody took that to mean interest rate cuts. And if they cut rates in Europe, that makes it a little easier for the Federal Reserve to cut rates in the U.S. At least that's the thought. So they rallied really strongly. Now that might be a little misguided, but markets at new all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but new highs, and I don't want to screw with that. The previous high was just around 151, 155, and they almost got to 156 and still closed up there. So nothing you can do. I mean, new highs are new highs. Don't argue with them. I really thought support had to be down around 153.22 here, this middle moving average, and I even thought 52.04 down here is a distinct possibility, and I gotta say, I still do. We've got a Federal Reserve two-day meeting Tuesday and Wednesday, and when they adjourn Wednesday afternoon, I really don't think they're going to announce an interest rate cut. Now, whether they do or not, we're going to get a reaction out of this market, and this may be a little too optimistic for a rate cut here. I'm not a fundamental analyst, so I don't want to read too much into it, but bottom line, we're at new all-time highs. I keep saying that. We're at new highs, and I'm just not going to mess with them when they're at new highs because, hey, new highs are just that. Stocks, they've staged a nice rally after this exhaustion bar down. They went up that week and had a little bit higher last week consolidation, and now it looks like they've taken off even higher this week. Part of that is due to Mario Draghi's comments, and part of it due to a tweet from the president saying that he and the president of China have started talking and they're going to have more talks, which is always a good thing. They can't come to a conclusion if they don't have talks. Doesn't mean everything's okay, but that's how the market took it anyway, and blew right up through the resistance. I kind of thought this 29.17 area might provide some resistance, but they seem to be trading clearly above that. So obviously we're looking at this old high here, which in this contract was around 29.65. It'll be interesting to see if they get up and try that. Support could possibly be down at the middle moving average here around 28.38. I really don't have any anticipation here other than concern. There's going to be a statement from the Fed when they adjourn Wednesday afternoon, as well as a press conference, I believe. And if they don't hear signs of interest rate lowering, or even if they do, but if they don't hear signs of that, I'm not sure they're going to maintain these levels. So, we're not analyzing markets anymore. We're analyzing Fed Chairman Powell and tweets. So good luck with that. That's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get your